Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, me and my dad went sailing in I think a waterfall, and it was actually my first time, and it was very adventurous, and yeah, we did pretty well though, but we had some challenges at the end. But now if you want to visit there, I'll tell you the place. It's December Garden and Waterfall in Lwin, Mandalay, and in Myanmar. You can also take beautiful pictures with garden, flowers, or eat those yogurt things, like those traditional Myanmar food, like those desserts. And yeah, it's not only a place for sailing, and also many other things are included if you want to do too. This is the end, and I'm looking forward to see you again. Bye!